Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico, and in this video I'm going to run a competition between AIs. We're going to see which one will perform better to create an end-to-end application using just one prompt. So the challenge here is to test, will the ChatGPT 5.5 perform better than the Claude Opus 4.7? To make easier to the AI, I have just one data source. I have a SharePoint list here connected, and at this SharePoint list I have customer data. I have the name, I have birth date, I have the state from Brazil, okay, the state from Brazil that this person was born, and also the country code from this person. So I have just 4 columns at this table. I want a full app where I can see those records. I want to add new records, edit, delete. So a simple CRUD app. I'm going to ask for the same app with the same prompt in both of them. I'm going to enable here the autopilot so I don't need to keep clicking enable for every action. And as you can see here, I'm just asking for a complete app that let me see all the customers, edit to them, add or delete them, a full CRUD from this data source. So let's go, let's do it. I'm going to hit enter here and wait until it's done. So guys, he's finishing, I don't think that he's finishing the app, but he finished a screen here. He's updating the Cloud app. So I will wait here until he finish all the app so we can understand a little bit more. All of this was built in like 3 minutes right now, so it was really fast. ChatGPT 5.5 is really fast here. As you can see here, he's still working at it, and after he sync the code that he built into the cloud, he will check for errors, because if it is errors in the app, he will try to fix it. Okay, he just finished all the implementation after 10 minutes. Actually, it was between 8 and 9 minutes, not 10 minutes, but he just built one single screen. He did not build like a screen to edit, a screen to list the client, the customers. And here we can see this is the final app. I can, for example, search for a customer, type in here, and we're going to see Camila is here. I can click at it. I can change, for example, the date of birth. I can save, and okay, it is working. Can I delete the record? Let's check it out. I'm going to click the banana here. I'm going to delete here. The contrast here is not good, but okay, this can be easily changed manually or with the AI, right? So I deleted, it is working, customer deleted. It is a perfect app working. I can add a new customer here, new customer, date of birth, birth state, example, country code, and save. And here's it. We're going to have the new customer, and we're going to see here the new customer is already on the SharePoint list. So a perfect app. It took like 8 minutes, and this is the final app built by the ChatGPT 5.5, a single screen application. I do not ask it for a single screen, right? So let's see the Claude Opus 4.7 if it's going to be better or not. So now, new window, new session. Let's change here to Claude Opus with autopilot. And same prompt. Oops, this is not the prompt that I used before. Let me get here. Okay, let me paste here now. Now it is ready to go. The same prompt, now changing just the LLM to Anthropic Claude Opus 4.7. Let's see which one will perform better. So I'm going to send here and wait until it's done also. As he developed, we can see here a difference between the ChatGPT and Anthropic. The Claude Opus is creating more than one screen. Remember, we are using a fresh session with the same prompt, just changing the LLM. So here is it. We have the first version here. It is ready. It stopped to think. Okay, I don't know if it is Okay, it is ready. Let's test it. There is a difference here between the Anthropic and OpenAI. Here, the Claude Opus built 4 screens. He did not delete the screen 2, but he built 4 new screens. Okay, let's think that the lead screen is the first one, the home screen. Also, again, the contrast with the colors here, both of them are not doing great, right? We can check and search for a name. So I can search for the new customer that we just used it in the last app. Here's it. I can click. The click here also not working pretty well, but okay, I can click at it. I can see the customer on the screen. In the view screen, I can edit and go to other screen where I can edit new data. I can change the birth date here. I can save it, and it is working to change the data. I can delete the customer, yes, and as you can see here, change the this delete button. It was not great. Also, let me show you what is going on here. I'm clicking it and shows the confirm. I can click confirm and it will be deleted. Let me do it again. Okay, I'm going to select the banana here and I will click delete, and it is asking for confirmation. I can click confirm. I cannot cancel it, so I did not like it. This is the ChatGPT single screen app, and this is the Anthropic Claude Opus 4.7. So I want your opinion. I want your feedback here at the comments. Which one do you prefer? Both of them take the same time, around the same time. The tokens, I forgot to see how many tokens the ChatGPT expand, but I know because I'm used to use those LLMs, it is basically the same. Okay, so ChatGPT spend around the same tokens. Sometimes Claude Opus perform better with less tokens, but the pricing by both of them is the same. So here I think that you should select the one that you think is better for you. Comment down below which one you are using, which one do you prefer here at this video, the first app or the second app. Maybe rate it from 1 to 10, give it a rate so we can take an average for the comments and see which one is better by your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched the video completed, comment down the word strawberry, then I will know that you watched it to the end. Hit the thumbs up, become a member of the channel, help us to grow up, sharing the video, and thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.